Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. How your girl, Debbie from Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. And all of you who are new right on over here, special welcome to you. Thank you so much for making it West Indian Delight. I know did it from long time when we used to say boop. Manners and respect. Are you still there so with me? Big up on yourself. I know you all so well. You don't forget it. Sometimes I see you typing it in the comment section. Thank you so much. I love you. Love you so much. Now today, it is a simple little thing, you know. But let me tell you something. I thought I was going down memory lane with you all. Let me tell you now. Oh, you're so awesome in the comment section. You're so awesome. Thank you so very much. Some of the things that I did not remember from way back when we used to do things as Jamaicans, especially living in the rural areas, you all, some of what I don't remember, you're all bringing me back. Now today's video, it's just simple, but baby, we're going down memory lane. And can I say something? I'm not gonna lie. Never remember that one yet at all. I don't remember the name of my family member, but when this video drop, please to come back in the comment section and tell me. Please to identify yourself. I love you so much. And this one is dedicated to you. The person said, Debbie, could you show us how to cook up seasoning to eat with food when we used to there Jamaica and we never have no meat kind? Hello, please. If you remember anything like that, please comment. If you don't remember what we're talking about, I think as I go along, you'll remember. Okay? And can I say something to you? We cook up seasoning when we not have no salting. Who remember that word? Salting. No salting. So we're going to cook up. I'm going to show you how to cook up your seasoning to eat. I can tell you something. I'm not sure if those in the town in Kingston and St. Andrew here, I'm not sure if anybody know it. I'm not sure, but I'm going to do it, and I know it's going to really jog our geek box, bring up some memories. It's going to jog some memories. You see what I say? Salting. When we used to that country, we call it little meat kind salting, the little shad, the little red herring, the little crank, the little tribe eye. Can I say something to you? It's a real thing. It's a real thing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now, what we're going to need for this, back in the days, I'm just going to put this bell pepper or sweet pepper, a little piece of it to give it, you know, to show you that you can do it. But back in the days, we never have this baby. Have I called? We used to have tomatoes, but not them. We used to have tomatoes. You know the little one them, the little fine one them bring a different type of jelliness to the thing, you know. Yes, those them have a different type of something where them bring to the thing. So I don't have those. So I'm gonna be using some of these. We would use onions, we would use some scallion, and of course this had to be in there, okay? And a little piece of garlic and all of that. So look here, I'm gonna go now get them all straight wash, cut them, because you all know how to do that. I don't have to show. I don't graduate from this, someone. I don't know if you do that on the Jamaican cooking journey. Big up on yourself. Soon come back. Okay, now family, we are right back. We went and we did our little chopping, and of course, we went to look for our salt and our black pepper because those are going to be needed. So what we do right over here, so we have a pot, and you know your sister Jessie may I use being preheated. But in those days, in those times, we would use the coconut oil. With our country, natural coconut oil. So if you where you are and you want to try this, when you see what me do, try to use your coconut oil. I don't have natural coconut oil now, but the natural coconut oil gives it a nice flavor. So we have the thing here preheated. You have to have a reasonable amount of oil because this is not too much. Give them a shot, camera girl, at the oil. This is not too much for what I'm going to do, you see? But maybe the oil police them and the calorie police them might have a problem. So maybe you want to do yours in water only. And when we finish this, if you want to see me do one in water only, please to comment. I will just probably try to share that one. I've never done it, but I will try. So at this point, you know, this is the king of flavor. in my Jamaican kitchen. So we're going to add some of this in the oil, and the oil must be preheated on medium because, hello, you put the camera on the camera, girl. If the oil is too hot, this scallion will burn. We don't want the scallion them burning. You get what I'm saying? We want them real sauteed and get the flavor out, but we don't want them to burn. So we are going with a little salt, because this thing, you have to know when to put in what. So we are going to stay right here. And we're not going to saute it for long, you know. So we can stay. And meanwhile, me I give a little stir. We can say to you, say, hello, please, how do you do? How you liking the Jamaican cooking journey? If you're learning anything on the Jamaican cooking journey, could you please type something? Yes, we're sauteing on medium. This is a little less than medium, you see, but I think this is the way to go. So whilst that is happening, you want to be doing this. Whether you want to do it clockwise or anti-clockwise, it doesn't matter. You want to get out the flavor. And let me ask you something. How many of you watching this video know what it smells like when you fry up scallion in an aisle? Comment. Let's get back to business, okay? I could make it go a little more. Because if you don't do it good enough, you won't enjoy it. So you got to do it properly. And get the flame up a little more. Alright? So I'm saying, if you have been on the Jamaican cooking journey, all of you, anybody, all those who are watching, you never comment before, and you feel like, you know, I did this dish in my kitchen and it's because of Debbie and the Jamaican kitchen cooking journey and it come out successful. Please type something, make me hear. Let me hear now. I would love to hear. And one more question. Do you think I'm doing anything that makes sense on the Jamaican cooking journey? If you think I'm putting out any farmer work, please comment. Please to comment. Right now, this is where we're gonna put in this tomato them on. This is the time for the tomato. And when the tomato going, flame up. Yes sir, flame up, right up. What is gonna happen with this tomato? When the tomato starts to cook and get juice, I think that thing when we get out of it, we call it pectin. Please to comment. We're going to cook this tomato while stirring. Yes, look at it. This is from the tomato then go in there. You see the color. How they do. And look at the scallions them in here. Oh my word. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cook this tomato for about 5 minutes on this island, whilst I'll be here stirring constantly. But you know what happened? I'm just gonna go off a bit, so I'll be right here stirring constantly. So when I come back, you are gonna see how the tomato them look, before we add in the rest of the thing. Okay, now family, you see, look at this. Tomatoes them still cooking, so I brought down my heat to a little less than medium. I always say to you, it no matter, once you come in the kitchen, you know you're going to cook. If you're not sure if you're going to use hot water, make sure you have some to the side right there, and we put in about, that is less than quarter cup. And look here, you have to make sure that your tomatoes are properly ripe, even riper than mine. We want to come now, and we're going to add our onions. And as I told you, in our days, we wouldn't have no sweet pepper, but I'm just using the sweet pepper to show my people that they can, you know, do a little thing different. Because some people love the sweet pepper, yes, I know. Them love the bell peppers. So you want to get your onions out now. Rinse them out. If you want to rinse them out ahead of time, you rinse them out. Stay on that heat. Stay on that little less than medium. Right over here, we are slicing a few pieces of this. This is a must, you see? This is a must. In our days, we add like bird pepper. Bird pepper would be the direct thing for this. But I don't have any bird pepper. If I was in the country, I would get some. And I'm using only this because, hello, I showed you the video for the Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Look at this. It's rude. So I'm just using this because I know it's going to be real spicy. Okay? So you do your spice to what? Your spice level to what you like. So I'm going to put a little piece of garlic. If you have garlic powder, you can put a little garlic powder. Now, if you also, some people like them little, you know, all-purpose and then something there. If you like that, you could put it in right now. Huh? If you like that. Oh my word. Now, you gotta have to put in a little black pepper in this thing. You see, because if you don't know you're doing this thing, you know, you will have an upset stomach when you're ready to eat it, you know, with your food. Put in a little black pepper to taste. And look here, last but not least, we're gonna need a little salt. We are gonna need little salt. So look here, because remember, you know, nothing else we are using Avena salt. This is straight ital, you know, straight ital. If you're on the Rastafarian side, this is for you, straight ital. Now at this point, you could put in a little Maggi cube or something that is for the people who love that. Okay? So let me taste. All ital. All ital. So, me going to put little salt. Because look here, this thing I going to eat with bread, wild breadfruit, roast breadfruit, any all of them food there, we are going to eat with it, so you have to put a little salt. So look here. Carrying up my heat, almost up to medium. And look here, I'm going to put a little more water, not a lot, because I want it to come to a boil. Look at it. And the medium, and because me use hot water, I never use cold water, for that drop the temperature right away. You see it I do it thing. You see the thickness of the gravy, you see the richness. Let us stir, continue stirring. Let us bring it right down, almost to low, not fully low, but almost to low. And we are going to leave it there. 5 minutes time. When we return, hello, this thing, I don't know what name, you know, but by the time we come back, we know what name, we will plate it. Okay, look at this, simmering. You see the tomato them? They cook right out until, you know, you see them? Okay, we can turn this off. We're going to turn it off, give it about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes to rest. And when we come back, we are going to have it all plate up and we are going to present. Okay, this is what we have, family. Look at it. Miss Debbie, what will we eat with this? Hello? The family member said, Debbie, could you show us how to cook up seasoning when we not have no meat kind? This is what we use when we with small in Jamaica, in the country, as I tell you before, eat. What we eat with it? Dumpling, cooked dumpling, fried dumpling, boiled banana, roti, sourdough bread, you name it. Spread it on top of your rice, you name it. Let me present to you. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to wherever you are, to your kitchen, it is cook up seasonings used for meat. Cook up, that is what the gentleman said, cook up seasonings made for meat. Cook up Jamaican seasoning. They are all herbs and what we call these things? What we call them, camera girl? Tomato and what are they? Are they they're not vegetable, they're seasonings or something like that. So please do enjoy. Give it a try and see what happens. You saw me, you saw me, I did it for you from scratch. Now, I'm not sure, maybe the people that are vegetarian would like to try this. I'm not sure. You could also use butter too instead of oil. That is for the people who don't have anything against butter. The butter would give it such a beautiful flavor. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. When you do, that's how you'll be a part of the post notification crew. And today's post notification shout out goes to Lord Biros Sama. I'm trying, my brother, not to mess your name up. Lord Biros Sama, pick up yourself. I say manners and respect. Lord Biros, you know this? If you know it, please to comment. All of you who know this, please say something in the comment section. Thank you so much. Remember that our donation button is up back on the channel. Those of you who would like to make a donation to our channel, we would welcome it. Thank you so very much. And all of that, remember to like, share, subscribe again. Leave your comments below. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.